Look closer. Do you truly see the unassuming spheres of green and crimson perched in the produce aisle? Or do you merely glance past a forgotten relic? Imagine, for a moment, that beneath those tightly bound leaves lies not just a vegetable, but a silent sentinel, a biological blueprint carrying whispers of ancient wisdom and unseen power. Prepare to dismantle your perception, to peel back layers of ignorance, and to confront the profound truth hidden within one of Earth's most common, yet most extraordinary, offerings. This isn't just a plant. It's a living mystery waiting for you to unlock its secrets. Its humble appearance is a masterful disguise, a cloak of simplicity draped over an intricate biological marvel. For centuries, humanity has cultivated these dense globes, often relegating them to the periphery of culinary thought, a mere side dish, a forgotten filler. But what if this widespread availability, this everyday presence, is itself a part of its enigma? What if the very act of dismissing its plainness prevents us from recognizing the sophisticated alchemy occurring within its crisp, watery tissues? Each leaf, a delicate membrane, is a repository of compounds designed not just for sustenance, but for subtle, profound transformations within the human body. We speak of superfoods, chasing exotic berries and obscure roots, while a potent, earthbound elixir sits patiently, waiting for recognition, its quiet power underestimated and profoundly misunderstood. It offers a silent promise of internal regeneration, a blueprint for balance that modern diets relentlessly erode. The true marvel isn't its rarity, but its ubiquity, a universal key often left unturned. Now, delve deeper, beyond the surface, into the very core of your being, with a symphony of digestion orchestrates your vitality. Your gut, a vast and complex inner cosmos, demands more than fuel. It yearns for architects, for guardians. Enter the humble cabbage, not as a brute force, but as a meticulous craftsman. Its intricate network of insoluble and soluble fibers acts as a diligent internal broom, sweeping pathways clear, but also as a nurturing gardener, fostering the delicate ecosystem of beneficial bacteria that dictate so much of your health. This isn't just about smooth transit. It's about cultivating an inner garden where toxins have no purchase, where nutrients are absorbed with quiet efficiency. But the plot thickens with a molecule known as glutamine, an amino acid found in astonishing abundance within these layered leaves. Glutamine doesn't merely pass through. It actively rebuilds, repairs, and soothes the very lining of your intestinal wall, mending the unseen tears, fortifying the fragile barriers. It's a silent physician for the intricate mucosal lining, ensuring the delicate balance between what enters your bloodstream and what remains safely contained. This isn't just food. It's an internal architect, meticulously tending to the foundations of your inner sanctum, ensuring its integrity against the constant onslaught of modern life. Consider the constant assault on your system, the invisible enemies lurking in the air you breathe, the food you eat, the stress you endure. Your body, an ancient, wise organism, possesses incredible detoxification pathways, but even the most robust systems can become overwhelmed. Here, Cabbage unveils its role as a quiet alchemist, a master of subtle transmutation. It doesn't merely cleanse. It supports the intricate cellular machinery responsible for neutralizing and eliminating harmful substances. The indoles and isothiocyanates, compounds hidden within its cellular structure, are not just chemicals. They are biological operatives, awakening dormant enzymes within your liver, preparing it to break down and excrete toxins that threaten to accumulate. This isn't a harsh purge, but a gentle, consistent encouragement of your body's own innate wisdom, a steady hand guiding internal purification. For millennia, cabbage was considered a primary remedy against hangovers by the ancient Greeks, a secret passed down through generations of healers who understood its profound ability to reset and restore internal harmony. It stands as a testament to nature's profound design, a testament that has been observed and utilized by discerning minds throughout history, recognizing its role not just in sustenance, but in vital restoration. Now observe the two siblings, the green and the red, standing side by side. While both share an undeniable power, the crimson twin holds a particular enchantment, a visible declaration of its potent lineage. That vibrant, almost regal hue is not mere pigment. It is the visual signature of anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that whisper of ancient protections and deep vitality. Imagine these anthocyanins as microscopic guardians, journeying through your bloodstream, seeking out and disarming the oxidative stress that silently corrodes your cellular structures. Their most profound theater of operation often lies within the delicate architecture of your blood vessels. These tiny pipelines, vital conduits of life, are constantly under threat, their elasticity and integrity compromised by modern lifestyles. The anthocyanins from red cabbage work to fortify these very vessels, improving their flexibility, reducing inflammation, and ensuring the smooth, unimpeded flow of your most precious internal river. This isn't just about heart health. It's about the fundamental pathways that deliver life to every cell, ensuring every organ receives its due. Remarkably, cabbage plants possess a unique natural mechanism to absorb heavy metals from contaminated soil, acting as nature's own silent biopurifiers, showcasing an innate resilience and cleansing power that extends beyond human consumption. This deeper, almost mystical interaction with its environment hints at its profound capacity for internal purity. In a world constantly challenging our defenses, where invisible threats lurk in every corner, the concept of robust immune support takes on a new urgency. Cabbage doesn't merely offer a shield. It provides the building blocks for an unyielding fortress. Its rich vitamin C content is well documented, but beyond this familiar hero, there's a sophisticated synergy at play. The combination of its potent antioxidants, gut-supporting fibers, and unique sulfur-containing compounds creates an environment where your immune cells can thrive and operate at peak efficiency. It's not just boosting, it's optimizing, fine-tuning your body's natural defense mechanisms, making them more responsive, more resilient. This plant empowers your body to not just react to threats, but to anticipate and deflect them. Furthermore, its role in natural cleansing extends beyond targeted detoxification, offering a systemic reset. It assists the body in shedding stagnant energies, removing cellular debris, and promoting an overall environment of clarity and vigor, preparing the internal landscape for optimal functioning. During the devastating Dutch hunger winter of 1944-45, cabbage, thriving in the freezing ground, became the unexpected, life-sustaining staple that averted mass starvation for thousands, a stark, visceral demonstration of its incredible resilience and life-preserving capabilities when all other options vanished. It sustained life when little else could, proving its profound and essential nature. So we arrive at a precipice, staring into the profound depth of what we once considered mundane. The humble cabbage, once a mere filler, now reveals itself as a convergence point of ancient wisdom and biological ingenuity. It is an unassuming guardian of your digestion, a silent architect rebuilding your gut, a patient alchemist assisting your detoxification pathways, and a vibrant shield fortifying your immune defenses. The green speaks of foundational strength, the red of vibrant circulatory integrity. Each leaf, each crunchy bite, is a deliberate step toward an internal harmony that modern life so desperately tries to disrupt. It's not just a food source. It's a living testament to the power of simplicity, a biological marvel designed to interact with and enhance the very fabric of your being. Its widespread presence isn't accidental. It's a profound gift accessible to all, yet understood by so few. The true wonder lies not in discovering some hidden, exotic secret, but in recognizing the colossal power that has always been right there, patiently waiting for us to truly see. But what if this deep connection, This quiet power stretches even further back beyond human comprehension into realms where perception itself begins to fray. Imagine, if you dare, stepping into a primordial garden billions of years ago. The earliest forms of life, single-celled organisms, began their slow, arduous journey towards complexity. And somewhere along that unfathomably long evolutionary path, a peculiar plant emerged, adapting, surviving, thriving in conditions that would annihilate others. What if the dense, tightly wrapped leaves of cabbage are not merely a protective structure against the elements, but a primal, almost alien, form of data storage? Consider this. Within the intricate helixes of its DNA, every single cabbage plant holds not just the blueprint for its own growth, but perhaps encoded memories of Earth's earliest metabolic struggles, its most ancient battles against environmental toxicity. It's a living archive, a biological time capsule. When you consume it, you're not just taking in nutrients. You're subtly interacting with eons of survival data, a deeply embedded wisdom of resilience. What if its ability to detoxify and fortify your system isn't just a chemical reaction, but an echo of its own ancient, relentless fight for existence? A cellular memory passed on directly to you, a whisper from the deep past guiding your own internal battles. It's not just about what it does, but what it remembers and shares. Now, open your eyes and truly look. That unassuming cabbage in the supermarket, once ignored, now pulses with an undeniable, quiet energy. It is not an exotic superfood, inaccessible and fleeting. It is a foundational pillar of well-being, a resilient ally in a challenging world. The mystery isn't that something grand is hidden away, but that something so profoundly powerful has been hidden in plain sight all along. This everyday miracle, with its vibrant green and mystical crimson, offers not just sustenance, but an intricate network of support for your very essence. It whispers of robust digestion, diligent detoxification, a flourishing gut, strengthened blood vessels, and a fortified immune system, all wrapped in layers of simple, elegant design. The journey from dismissive glance to profound appreciation is a short one, yet it promises a transformation, a quiet understanding of your body's potential. So embrace this humble marvel, this ancient secret keeper, and let its quiet strength bring a genuine, knowing smile to your face. After all, what else is hiding in your garden that you refuse to truly see?